Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Technocratics, and today this is Amish Srivastava, your host, with a brand new video on a unique pen drive. Yeah, it's a pen drive in the shape of an ID card. So let's see, I have ordered it from Flipkart, and here is the retail package in front of you, as you can see. Let me show you the details. These are the details as mentioned above. So let me open it and unbox it, or you can say anything with this scissors. So ninja technique of unboxing, as you can see. Let me skip this part. So as you can see here, very nice packaging by Flipkart. I must say, what a packaging! As you can see in front of you. I think this is a joke, nice joke. Thank you Flipkart for this type of packaging. So let's cut it through and see our pen drive. Wow, it's so nicely packed, as you can see. So it's a pen drive, 32 GB mentioned above, and let's open the plastic case. Complete plastic white transparent case. So as I opened this case, it's a beautifully packed pen drive, and here you can see it's similar as ID card, looking very familiar. And let me show you the pen drive now. So as you can see here, completely white, nothing else. So here's the pen drive itself. Its circuitry is embedded here only, and with a port socket to plug it in a PC. And it's white, printable. You can print anything here. So we just trust. So for the drive, it's nice enough and portable also. You can keep it in pockets, etc. So I will use it. It's a USB 2.2 interface, and a very nice thing that it's unique and new thing in the market. So I like it. I will give 4 stars out of 5. 1 star I will deduct as it's scratched here, many scratches at the top. And let me show you by turning on the flash. As you can see here, there are several scratches, and here you can see. So anything else is good. This is a nice product, unique product, and recently launched. You can also order. I will leave the link in the description. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and like the video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.